Hello, my beloved students. It's Edumatop. This question here says that if 25 raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 64, 5 over 2 raised to the power 6, then we have to find the value of x. Now look how to solve it here. The first thing you quickly note as a mathematician is that this 64 that is here is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 6. 2 raised to the power 5 will give you 32. While 2 raised to the power 6 will give you 64. So bearing this in mind, you can quickly rewrite this stuff as now your 25 is 5 raised to the power 2 now, okay? So let's just go 5 raised to the power 2, then cover it like this. You put your x minus 1 here, is equals to your 64 is 2 raised to the power 6. This 64 here is 2 raised to the power 6. Then multiply that like this. Then there's a law of logarithm that says that a raised to the power, as in bracket b, will give you a raised to the power b, because the imaginary one is here. So 1 times b will give you b. So if you apply that here, you're going to have 5 raised to the power 6 divided by the 2. We also raise the 6 up. So 2 raised to the power 6. So these two guys are the same. As you can see, these two guys can cancel out. So at this part, you just have 5 raised to the power. These two can expand or multiply this guy here. So you have 5 raised to the power 2x minus 2 is equals to, then from here, you have only this guy left, which is 5 raised to the power 6. From this guy, you can just cancel these two boys here. So you have 2x minus 2 is equals to 6. Then from here, take the like terms, 2x is equals to 8. When this 2 comes to this side, it becomes 6 plus 2 now, abi? Then divide both sides by 2 now. Let's go. So that will give you s equals to 4. So the answer is 4. You can check that in the option right there, and you see it here. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, my beloved students, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click the follow button so we can meet again. Okay, all right, peace, remain blessed.